Hey guys, welcome to my Animal Crossing makeup tutorial. New Horizons is right around the corner. It's about 4 days away, so I thought I would just give you guys a little makeup tutorial to get everyone into the right spirit. Right now I'm gonna start with a primer. It's like a tapeworm. Apply that to your face. Now that you've got your hair out of the way, with some 15-year-old barrettes that you have in a bag for some reason, you can get started with the foundation. And you're just gonna apply that to your face. So Animal Crossing characters are known for their very flawless skin and with no features, so we're just gonna take some concealer that's so light and dot out any of these little imperfections, because Animal Crossing characters are perfect. And we're just gonna cover everything here. No stone left unturned. Just like in the new Animal Crossing game, New Horizons, coming out March 20th. So now that you've got your concealer down, we're just gonna continue with the foundation and blend it in. Oh, I poured way too much foundation. That's okay. It just means we're gonna be extra perfect. God, I poured so much. So in my whole house, I couldn't find a single glue stick. So we're just gonna do our best covering them eyebrows. Alright, now I'm gonna try and fix these eyebrows. Sorry, Doppio. We're just gonna try and conceal them. So it seems like, other than looking janky, it isn't really covering my eyebrows, but that's okay, we're gonna make it work. Alright, so Animal Crossing characters, as I said before, have perfect skin, so we aren't gonna use any contour, but we are gonna use a little bit of highlight. So we're just gonna take a little bit of the highlight and just sort of put it on your highlight areas. Alright, so because I'm broke and I have no materials, I'm just gonna use some lip liner to achieve the triangle nose look. So we're just gonna outline it first. Oh no. You know, this started as an ironic video, like I was gonna make it really bad on purpose, but you know, I'm having a good time. There have been a lot of bad things in the world right now. It feels like global warming is getting worse every single day, and the president is an idiot, and the virus is killing people, and everyone has to sort of quarantine. So, you know, it's alright to have a little fun. As a treat. I have a massive fucking nose. Also, it turns out another reason this is not entirely a joke anymore is because I can't act and do makeup at the same time. Alright, so as I stated before, I don't have a lot of materials, so we're gonna improv. We're just gonna use eyeliner for the mouth. This was a mistake. It looks like my mouth is a mustache. Like, it looks like it has a mustache. Ooh. We're gonna Hail Mary and see if we can blend it with some chapstick. Now I look emo. Hey guys, welcome to my e-girl makeup tutorial. E-girls don't look like this. I'm sorry, e-girls. Message me. I'm lonely. I'm doing an Animal Crossing makeup tutorial alone in my house. Now this looks like clown makeup! God damn it! We're gonna move on to the eyes. You know, the beautiful Animal Crossing eyes. So yeah, first we're gonna outline. I don't have makeup remover on me. That was a bad idea. All I have is paper towel and a dream. That's as close as I'm gonna get. So, as I mentioned before, and a million times already, I don't have a lot of materials, so we're just gonna use some finger paint, because it's probably the same as face paint. We're gonna hope for the best. I look like a clown that no one would hire. Oh, that looks naughty. That isn't very Animal Crossing. What do I do? So we're gonna scrap the craft paint idea. And you know what? I got the very wrong shade of concealer, so we're gonna use that. Now that you've got your eyes down, we're gonna use some eyeliner, some liquid eyeliner, and fill in the pupils. I have black eyes. I could just use my eyes. But you know what? I'm committing. I think it's very cool how in the new Animal Crossing game there's no gender. Animal Crossing in my eyes is sort of like how I wish the world was. Like the ideal world. And the ideal world has no gender. I look like the most terrifying clown. Like, no fucking joke, I look like a nightmare. I'm gonna have dreams about myself tonight. Alright, so now that you're done with your makeup and it looks amazing and perfect, you want to take your 15-year-old clips out of your hair because it's time to do the hair. Alright, so in real life I have hair that's more like flat and sad. If I was true to myself in Animal Crossing, I would have hair more like this, but I don't vibe with that. I don't identify with flat hair, so I'm gonna try to make my hair look like the one that I usually use, which is this. Alright, so I'm gonna try and replicate the spiky hair. Oh, that's a lot of dandruff. I just fucking showered! I think that's as close as I'm gonna get.